the sky. We see them flying free. That's just